Letoya McKenna, who best known as Didi on Generation The Legacy, have asked a question by one of her fans, which left many of us wonders how she managed on her new marriage after she had multiple men as her ex-partners. The question said, "So you don't miss D?" Dineo the Sangoma, her answer was really shocked. "No, I wish I could tell you how overreacted it is." Do you think Letoya's answer is true, or is just because she was hurt in her previous different gender relationship? You can tell us on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and press notification button to be the first to see when I uploaded the video.